This 2021 Forest River XLR Boost 29QBX is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, external shower, LP detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, slideout, TV, microwave, air conditioning, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River XLR Boost 29QBX is 8,968 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.